To access iCloud on an Android phone, you will need to use the iCloud website or the iCloud app. First, open a web browser on your Android device and navigate to the iCloud website. You can do this by typing iCloud.com into the address bar. Once you are on the iCloud website, sign in with your Apple ID and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled on your Apple account, you will need to enter the verification code sent to your Apple device or generated by the Authenticator app. After signing in, you will see a list of available iCloud services, including Mail, Contacts, Calendar, Photos, and more. You can access any of these services by clicking on the corresponding icon. For example, if you want to access your iCloud Photos, click on the Photos icon. You will then be able to view and download your iCloud photos directly to your Android device. If you want to access iCloud services more easily, you can also download the iCloud app from the Google Play Store. The iCloud app allows you to access iCloud services such as iCloud Photos, iCloud Contacts, and iCloud Calendar directly from your Android device. To set up the iCloud app on your Android device, download and install the app from the Google Play Store. Then, sign in with your Apple ID and password. You will then be able to access your iCloud services and sync them with your Android device. It is also important to note that while you can access iCloud services on an Android device, not all services may be available or fully functional. For example, iCloud Keychain and iCloud Backup are only available on Apple devices. To ensure that your iCloud data is secure, make sure to use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication on your Apple account. You should also be cautious when accessing iCloud services on a public computer or network, as this can pose a security risk. Overall, accessing iCloud on an Android phone is a relatively straightforward process that can be done using the iCloud website or the iCloud app. By following these steps, you can easily access your iCloud services and sync them with your Android device.